All right, let's check in with Nick now because we got those clouds over everybody. We've got some rain out there.
Rain in many parts of central Texas, although where a lot of us wanted it in Travis, Hays, and Williamson County, not a whole lot, but let's show you where it is raining here. And this is how it looks in Bastrop from the Ally Medical emergency room camera with some storms in the vicinity and certainly some areas dealing with some very heavy rain. But you can see where the rain has been focused west and southwest, south and east. I promise this is not done intentionally. Storms don't know where Austin is, but they've been missing us here today. You can see Gillespie County, downpours and storms, nothing severe, but beneficial rain, although there is the danger of the lightning, and this storm is moving into Blanco County, so you'll be seeing some heavier rain and occasional lightning picking up as well. Into Hays County, we have seen some recent development over the last 20-30 minutes as some showers and storms start to pulse up just ahead of the cold front, including this cell there near Driftwood. This one is on track to try to get into Travis County. And you can see as we zoom in just a little bit more there, just to the northwest of Hays City. We also had that round of storms moving through the Circuit of the Americas, as we highlighted a few moments ago on our camera there. But there is a cold front that is roughly between Del Valle and Coda right now. And behind the cold front, the air is more stable, so less conducive to developing storms. And you can see the boundary between the cold front, where there's lack of rain, and then south of the front where there's plenty of rain and storms throughout Bastrop County, Lee County, and into Fayette County, where you've had several inches of rain in parts of Fayette County now. I've already got an email wondering, what is it about Austin that is making us miss the rain? Nothing specifically about Austin that is causing this rain hole here today. But I can tell you that this front is now south of Austin, and north of the front is where the cooler, drier, more stable air is. So south of the front is where our highest storm chance, rain chance, and severe weather chances. Look at the temperatures in Austin that have dropped from the low 80s now into the upper 60s. South of the front, though, still very unstable air, low to mid 80s. In places like Lockhart, you're at 84. Dripping Springs, you're feeling both the benefits of the cold front as well as some rain-cooled air over you in Fredericksburg, too. So you can see the scattered coverage of rain and storms winding down as we head into this evening. There's still going to be the potential for some lingering rain and storms through 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight, but likely not of the severe variety. And then as we head past midnight into your Saturday morning, we continue to feel the drying trend taking over. And while there may be some early morning low clouds Saturday, we expect we'll get a lot of sunshine as we head through the morning. Rain, highest totals from now on will be south of Austin, where we could pick up some half-inch reports. There could be some localized 1-inch or more totals in places like Fayette County, where it is still raining with a strong thunderstorm there. So scattered evening thunderstorms with a slow drying trend overnight. Overnight lows getting down in the low 60s. We're on our way there now, already in the middle and upper 60s across much of the area. Clouds to sun here tomorrow, an early morning sprinkle, but generally speaking, it's a dry Saturday and a dry weekend. 80 Saturday, 82 on Sunday, and mostly sunny. Our wet weather pattern starts getting going again, though, as we head through next week. Monday, rain and storm coverage starts to rise later in the day, and then the highest chances of rain are now focusing on Tuesday. Fairly likely we have some showers and storms around with lingering rain and storms on Wednesday. Lower rain coverage here on Thursday, and next Friday is looking mostly dry. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. What you're also going to notice about this weekend is the cold front that's moving through now is going to mean that Sunday morning we start in the 50s. And then those overnight lows start to catch back up and warm up into the 60s again. Highest rain coverage coming late Monday through Tuesday into Wednesday before a subtle drying trend later next week. We'll be right back.